Hello, today we will talk about a new list of automotive products. Today's video is about
Fender Flar's trim.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get latest videos from our amazing channel.
Trim-Lok's Fender Flar trim is the perfect solution when needing to add a new trim or replace your old worn trim. Our Fender Flar trim is an ozone-resistant EPDM rubber trim that adheres to the flare using 3M automotive-grade tape. It provides an attractive finish and protection between the flare and body of your vehicle by isolating vibration, minimizing friction to prevent scratches, and eliminating the risk of rocks and debris getting caught between the flare and the body. Installation is quick and easy. Start by removing the flare and prepping the edge. Trim-Lok recommends using a cleaning solution of 1 part isopropyl alcohol and 1 part water with a clean rag. Take care to remove any dirt, debris, or old glue on your flare to ensure proper trim adhesion. Start your installation by using a pair of straight edge clippers to make a clean cut on your starting edge. Push the trim onto the edge and work your way around the length of the flare. Use a rocking motion to ensure the trim goes completely over the edge and continue the process until you reach the end. Do not remove the tape during this step. Taping will be done after the trim has been pushed on. When you reach the end of the flare, mark and cut the trim. Ensure the trim is properly seated on the entire length of the flare by pushing down firmly. Trim has been pushed on. When you reach the end, ensure the trim is properly seated on the entire length of the flare. You're now ready to begin taping. Pull back a small section of the trim, peel the tape liner, and press it firmly back onto the flare. Continue peeling the liner a few inches at a time and apply pressure by pressing the flare. Trim-Lok's Fender Flar trim is not only easy to install,
Easy flares are the original universal fender flares that provide optimal performance and durability. The flexible design molds to the shape of virtually any vehicle. Easy peel and stick installations allow it to be attached in minutes with no drilling, screws, or special tools required. Quality 3M automotive tape easily endures all climates, car washes, and high speeds. Easy flares are designed to protect your paint from driveways, speed bumps, and curbs. Easy Flares extends your fender by up to 1 inch and is designed to absorb impacts that would otherwise damage your fender. When installed properly, the 3M tape is as strong as using screws, and they will last for many years to come. We've put Easy Flares through speed tests up to 200 miles per hour, power wash tests, hole tests, and even off-road testing. With tens of thousands of car washes being done on Easy Flare products every year, we can say that we've never once heard of the Easy Flares falling off during someone's car wash. Whether you're using a pressure washer or a brush, the Easy Flares hold strong on your car. We admit the Easy Flares are not indestructible. Optimal performance and durability. Easy peel and stick installations allow it to be attached in minutes with quality 3M automotive tape easily endures car washes and high speeds, driveways, speed bumps, and curbs. Impacts that would otherwise damage your fender. We've put Easy Flares through speed tests up to 200 miles per hour, power wash tests, hole tests, and even off-road testing. Washes being done on Easy Flare products every year, we can say that we've never once, whether you're using a pressure washer or a brush, the Easy Flares hold strong on your car. But we can confidently say, made in the USA out of ultra-durable